everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Jeanette's Lifestyle. Hope everybody is doing well, and I just wanted to say that always keep safe po, and always keep on smiling, and God bless everyone. So guys, for my today's vlog, it is all about my own ways of making a simple sushi of my own. Yeah, so when I was in Poland, I used to do this, especially if I am craving it. Actually, we can buy it also in the shop, yeah, the ready made, but of course sometimes if you don't like the ingredients of that, I just wanted to make it of my own ways. Yeah, so there you go. As I have here, of course, the sushi rice. Yeah, I'm going to cook it later. And then I have here the seaweeds, of course, yes, and the bamboo mat. Yeah, I bought it in Asian shop. And of course, for my ingredients, I just have the instead of fish, fresh one, I am just I'll be using a crab stick. Okay, I like this one so much, especially when I am also cooking noodles. I am putting this, so I make sure that I have this at home. Yeah, the crab stick, and then the sliced carrots, and as well as the avocado and the cucumber. Okay, so with these ingredients, the vegetables and the crab stick, it's okay already for me to make it of my own ways. Yeah, I can say that sushi is also a comfort food for me, yeah, because it's really satisfying and very tasty. Yeah, so please join me in on how I make my own ways of this simple recipe of mine. Yeah, okay, so please stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. still new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and don't forget also to click the bell button for you to be updated for my new videos to come. Okay, so here I have here the sauce. Yeah, you can serve it with the wasabi or soy sauce. As for me, I have soy sauce here, so let's try, guys. Here you go. Yeah. Mm. So hope you enjoyed watching my simple ways of making a homemade sushi. So uh, once again, thank you for watching, and hope to see you next in my new videos to come. And it's time for me now to say bye for now, and love you guys. God bless everyone.